Make money with artificial intelligence in 2025. Ready to crack the code on how to make money with artificial intelligence in 2025? Well, in this video, you will find simple ways anyone can start making at least $1,000 a month using AI technologies. First, let's talk about freelancing. The platforms are changing like Upwork and Fiverr, and AI is improving the services you can offer. Think about using AI tools to automate tasks like graphic design, content writing, or even social media management. With the right skills, you can attract a steady stream of clients looking for quick, quality results. Next comes the development of an AI-powered e-store. Setting up an e-commerce site has never been this easy with the power of AI. Use AI for the analysis in the market trend or customer preference to help you stock at the right time. Additionally, AI can also help optimize your marketing strategies to drive more sales with less effort. Other opportunities are open in the creation of AI-generated content, be it blogging, music, art, or any other creative stuff. The list goes on. You may sell your creation on the internet or license them to businesses that look for unique AI-generated stuff. And of course, the investments. AI tools can analyze stocks and cryptocurrencies more and with higher speed compared to any human. You will have a basis on which you can make informed decisions, thereby possibly increasing your returns on investments. Finally, you can consider AI consulting services with more businesses looking to integrate